Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sleep Pharmacy. I am your host, Dr. Chizuko Nakayama. Thank you for joining me again. I am so happy to share the secrets of Japanese herbs with you. Tonight's herb is Horsetail. In Japan, we call it Sugina. Have you ever heard of Tsukushi? They are cute, brown-filled horsetails that appear in early spring. Many people in Japan love Tsukushi, but they don't realize that Sugina is its green brother. They are connected underground by the same root. Tsukushi spreads the spores and Sugina performs photosynthesis to collect minerals from the deep earth. When my children were young, I often cooked tsukushi for their lunch boxes. I made tsukushi sticks. Tsukushi fried in the thick butter like tempura. The bitter taste of spring is a very special memory for my family. While tsukushi is for eating in spring, Sugina is a powerful medicine. In our traditional medicine, we call it monkey. It is famous for being rich in silica. Silica is essential for beautiful hair, glowing skin, and strong bones. It also contains magnesium and calcium. It helps with detox and reduces swelling in your body. As a pharmacist, I find Sugina very fascinating. Animal studies have shown it may help lower blood sugar levels. Some lab studies even suggest it may help fight cancer cells. It is truly a plant of great vitality. However, I have one important message for you. Because Sugina is so powerful, please do not eat too much. Taking too many minerals can be hard on your liver. I recommend enjoying it as a tea or mixing a small amount of powder into your cakes or cooking. Balance is the key to health. Treat it as a gentle gift from nature, not a heavy medicine. If you want to make tea, harvest green Sugina in early summer. Please make sure no chemicals or herbicides were used in the area. Wash it well and dry it in the sun. I make a special powdered Sugina tea. It tastes like a very gentle matcha. It is very easy to use in your daily life. If you want to strengthen your body from the inside, let the power of Horsetail support you. You can find my Sugina tea sticks in my shop. Please check out eBay's shop. Stay strong, stay warm, and have a peaceful night. Good night.